Hello everyone, I welcome you all to ATM Creations. We are going to create a simple and a small dot mandala on this MDF board. Let's get started. I'll start dotting in the center in sky blue. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll keep tiny dots in red now. I'll keep some sky blue dots. This is how at times I make mistakes. I'm going to show you how am I going to fix this. While the paint is still wet, I've taken a Q-tip. This is wet actually, so I'm going to clean it up. You need to be really slow because you shouldn't be damaging the other dots. See, now the place looks like as if there were no dots at all. Now I'm going to keep a new dot. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll walk the dots in red now. I'll keep some sky blue dots now. I'll keep some tiny dots in sky blue. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll keep some tiny red dots. I'll keep sky blue dots now. I'll keep smaller sky blue dots. I'll keep some red dots. I'll walk the dots in red now. I'll walk the dots in sky blue. I'll keep lumpy dots in sky blue now. I'll make these dots into swipes now. Keep some side swipes in red. I'll keep some top dots in red. I'll keep top dots in red on all these sky blue dots. On all these red dots, I'll top dot in sky blue. I'll top dot these sky blue dots in red now. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll keep some sky blue dots now. I'll work the dots in sky blue. I'll work the dots again in sky blue. I'll keep some red dots now. I'll work the dots in red. I'll keep some brush strokes in sky blue. I'll keep some brush strokes in red now. I'll top dot these red dots with sky blue. I'm going to fix a mirror, so let me place Fevicol first. I'll fix the mirrors now. I'll put some more Fevicol to fix mirrors later. I'll fix mirrors now. I'll put some more Fevicol now. I'll fix mirrors now. I'm sure this small and simple dot mandala came out really well. I think adding mirrors have added a lot of glitter to this dot mandala. Thank you for watching this video.